This hair is super straight and super silky, and I keep saying super because I mean super, like for real. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because it's a hair review brought to you by Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. I'm super duper excited because Lord knows I've been wanting some clip-ins so bad, and it's like the hair gods just came through and sent me. I'm gonna review the package and everything inside, and I'm also going to show you guys how I put them on. I love this packaging. I love how small it is. Like, you can get it right out the mailbox and stick it in your purse, take it to work with you, and open it at your desk. So I peeked in here, but I didn't really touch anything. I didn't open the hair yet, so this is going to be a real deal serious review. But yeah, so this is the hair. They sent me 18-inch clip-ins. I'll put all the information below. I believe it's 120 grams. I love that they put a comb and a clip in here because those are two essential things that you need when applying clip-ins, because you want to section off the hair and then you want to clip off the rest of the hair so that you can apply each weft. So this is genius. Whoever put this in here, amazing. Love it. And they also sent 2 extra clips. I guess if like the clips get loose on the weft, you can always sew these on. This is a cool idea because I've made like my own clip-ins before. They weren't good. I wasn't really able to use them long term because I didn't make them too well. But if push comes to shove and you need extra clips, something falls off, it gets loose, you can always sew those on to the weft. So that's good. Now I'm gonna open the hair. Oh, I love when you get hair and it's so soft and silky. And I was not expecting them to be this thick. They're pretty thick. And I chose 18-inch because I recently got my hair cut in this blunt bob, and it's still very blunt. So I didn't want to have such a length difference between my hair and the clip-ins, because sometimes the blunt pieces can be very prominent when the length is really different. So that's why I chose 18-inch. And the color, it's a really good match. That's awesome. These are the jet black ones. And now I'm just gonna unravel. And I'm actually gonna count these wefts so we know how many come in the set. So that's 1, 2. Oh my god, I already love these. Like, they look so well made. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 pieces come in this set. Guys, I keep running my hands through it because this hair is so soft. And to be completely honest, I've had clip-ins in the past that were a little janky looking, and literally I can tell you all these hairs are like the same length and going in the same direction. This hair is super straight and super silky, and I keep saying super because I mean super, like for real. One of the things I like about this set of clip-ins is the clips are really firm and there's a lot of teeth on them, so that tells me that it's really gonna grip the hair and it's not gonna slide out. In this set there are 2 pieces of this length. I would say about 4 inches, and then there's 2 pieces that are like 1.5 inches. These I usually put towards the front. Like if you start seeing a lot of bluntness in the front, this will break it up. Like the 2 small pieces, usually put those closer to the front of the hair, but I'll show you guys how I do that later. And there's 2, I would say these are about like 6, 7-inch pieces. So I'm gonna show you how I achieve a half up, half down hairstyle with the clip-ins. So let's jump right in to the hair tutorial. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put half of my hair up at the top. I'm gonna pull it all the way up. And part of the reason why I'm doing a half up, half down hairstyle is because my haircut is really, really blunt, and I don't want the bluntness to show that much. So if I put some of the hair up, there won't be so much bluntness to cover, if you get what I mean. So I'm gonna put this all the way up, and it's gonna be super cute. I like to do it really, really high because it gives you like that natural facelift, and really, really tight. Anybody who knows me knows that my ponytails and my buns are always super tight. That's just how I like it. I don't feel like my hair is done unless it's really, really tight. If you get headaches, don't try this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it, roll it into a bun, and I'm just gonna pin it until we clip the rest of the hair in, and then I'll style that part. And I have an undercut, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna use as my guide to put the first set of clip-ins in. I'm gonna twist this, and I'm gonna use the clip that they sent me to section that off. And the first clip I'm gonna start with is the piece with 2 clips. So I'm gonna comb the hair and make sure it all goes in the same direction. I'm gonna turn to the side so you guys can see. Put it behind me. I'm gonna grip the hair. Make sure that the tooth of the clip goes into that section and hear that click. So that's the first one. So that's the first clip. Next, I'm going to unclip this and section off another piece of hair. I'm gonna grab another 2-clip piece and apply it. And I'm gonna keep doing the same thing until I no longer have any more clips. For this piece, I'm going to do the 4 clips. I'm gonna comb my hair down over it just to see how much more room I have. But you guys see what I meant by my blunt haircut? For these 2 small pieces, I'm gonna place them on the sides. So the clip-ins are in, but you guys know I love sleek hair. So of course, I brung out my flat iron, and I'm just gonna run it past to make sure that my hair and the clip-ins blend as seamlessly as possible. So I'm going to show you guys how I flat iron my hair. This is my flat iron technique that I've been using for the longest. I use it on my own hair, and I use it when I have extensions. I swear by this technique, and I'm so happy that I have this comb, because what I like to do is place the comb on the hair, place the flat iron on top of the comb, and run the comb and the flat iron simultaneously down the hair, which helps everything to blend and melt together really, really well. So I'm going to show you guys again. So you'll place the comb, and then you place the flat iron and you run down the hair. And I'm especially going to stop a little bit right here towards the end where my hair is, just so it can blend with the clip-in. And I'm gonna do that all over. I'm gonna section different pieces and use that technique. Again, this is for blending purposes so that it's super sleek and blended. It's optional. The clip-ins are really straight. My hair was really straight, but I just want to make sure that they go together and they look like as natural as possible. Now I'm going to style my bun. This bun is going to be sort of messy, so I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to just tease it by combing the hair down towards my hair, my head. And I'm going to twist and wrap it around. Wrap it. It's going to be a top knot. Wrap it, and then I'm going to secure it with another ponytail holder just to make sure that it stays on there. And there you have it, this half up, half down bun style with clip-ins from Amazing Beauty Hair.